Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 21st, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickard. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. First computers containing human neurons are commercially available, with researchers warning of ethical risks. Tiny clumps of human brain cells sit and respond to electrical pulses. Scientists grow three-dimensional organoids and probe them with electrode arrays. The brain uses less than 20 watts. Supercomputers use about 1 million times more. In August, Bristol used organoids of about 10,000 neurons to identify Braille letters. One organoid hit 61%, 3 combined reached 83%. Cortical Labs trained cells in Petri dishes to play Pong. Final Spark hosts organoids in Veve. Some academics get free access. Private users pay $5,000 per month, and Final Spark does not know customers' uses. Fully AI-generated display ads increased click-through rates by 19%, while AI-modified versions showed no improvement or performed worse. Adding an AI-generated label reduced clicks by about 31.5%. A field experiment run through the Google Display Network compared human originals, AI-edited images, and completely generated creatives. Researchers attribute the gap to output constraints. Visual models lose effectiveness when constrained to modify existing assets, which reduces perceived realism and lowers purchase intent. When AI designed both the ad and product packaging, purchase intent and clicks improved. The findings suggest using visual AI for whole concept generation early in the creative process.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickard's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickard.de. P-I-C-K-E-R-T-D-E. Google introduced A2UI, an open standard that lets AI agents generate graphical user interfaces, such as forms and buttons, directly within host applications. A2UI sends structured JSON descriptions instead of executable HTML or JavaScript, reducing code injection risk and letting the client render interfaces with native components and app styling. The declarative protocol limits agents to a predefined component catalog while enabling dynamic, context-aware interfaces and multi-agent orchestration. Google contrasts A2UI with Anthropic's MCP and OpenAI's ChatKit, positioning it as platform-independent and native-first. The project is open source under the Apache 2.0 license, is at version 0.8, and is used by GenUI SDK, Opal, Gemini Enterprise, AGUI, and Copilot Kit. Kathy Hochul signed the RAISE Act, making New York the second U.S. state to enact major AI safety legislation. The law requires large AI developers to publish safety protocols and report safety incidents to the state within 72 hours. It creates an office in the Department of Financial Services to monitor AI development. Failure to report or to make false statements carries fines up to $1 million and $3 million for repeat violations. OpenAI and Anthropic backed the law and urged Congress to act. President Donald Trump issued an executive order directing federal agencies to challenge state AI laws. That order is likely to face court challenges. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.